What's up, guys? There's a whole lot of y'all that's been asking them, where is Wally's Toolbox Tour? We want to see Wally's Toolbox. What's in Wally's Toolbox? Well, today is the day. We're going to shoot the Wally's Toolbox Tour coming up right after this. All right, guys, here's Wally. There's one box, there's two boxes, and there's three boxes. So we're gonna run through this real quick, and Wally's gonna show you what all he keeps in his drawers. Not those drawers, but those drawers.
Stay back.
There you go. All right, so everybody's been wanting to know, Wally, what's in the new box? Show everybody your new box and what's in it.
It's not as much as what you'd figure, but slowly moving everything over. Top drawer here, we have mostly standard wrenches. We have some metrics here, but I've been keeping all my ratchets, torque wrenches, and just odd end stuff as I move over. It probably will get changed in the future, but for the time being, this works.
There you go.
Second drawer down, pliers, files, just odd end stuff, seal pullers, and we actually got to use that the other day. Works great, by the way.
And these, everybody was like, why you want them so big? But good Lord, they have come in handy, haven't they?
Several times.
We have used the snot out of them things.
That's the second drawer. My third drawer here has all my specialty tools. Have the scanner.
Solus Edge.
Yeah, buddy. Power steering, Ford spark plug remover and rethread kits, Nord light, scope, block tester.
Smart ear.
Yeah, smart ear. Refractometer. I'll get it out here.
Refractometer.
Refractometer. Whatever you call that thing. Steer it. Oh my God, micrometer. Just old cheap set calipers.
Thermal imager.
Yeah, the it's tap and die set, but that's the bottom and out tap. Relay, jumper relays, dial indicator. Next down, just
look how fancy that speed drawer looks.
Yeah, hey,
goodness.
I worked at that one.
Yeah. It took you 3 weeks to pick all them tools up out of the floor.
Probably did. I ain't got no drill bits.
No, all the drill bits is sent off for warranty.
Yeah. I got my 12-point metrics, some oversized drill bits, 5/8, 3/4, just
tap
random assortment.
sockets,
Yeah, tap
punches.
sockets. Which one was that? Oh yeah.
Deburring bits.
Don't work well on aluminum though. Some odd end electrical tools. Well, that's in there. I ain't got a clue yet.
You can tell Wally needed this bad because
I mean to get it warranted.
he opened it and it come out with corrosion from the factory, so that's why it got put back in the plastic. Ooh, a big fat nothing.
Yeah, that's the best drawer right there. Ain't it?
This is where Wally keeps all of his Harbor Freight tools in this drawer. That's Wally's Harbor Freight drawer. And as you guys see, that was Wally's new Matco impact gun that he bought just a couple of weeks ago.
Y'all can close up to it.
Y'all can see how good that thing looks. Like, wipes it off every day before he puts it back up. Keeps it nice and clean. So he's got that's an MG725, the Matco stubby, a Mac stubby, and then he's got leaders on everything, of course, as you can see.
AG525S. It's been a good one.
If it survived a year of Wally-nisms, it is a good one.
I have my drill down here too.
If it made it a year with Wally, it's a good one. And as you can see, that's his other Harbor Freight drawer.
Got a stinking radiator. Another one. Oh, I do have some sockets in that one. Those are standards. My larger standards. Last one, but definitely not least.
The power drawer. Those are awesome. Like I say, I've got the one size bigger than that one, and those things are worth every single penny.
You daggum right they are.
And on top, you can see Wally's got the bench mat with a mirror out and his cutter. And Wally's into rotary engines, so if you like rotary engines, whatever. Anyway.
That sounded depressing. You should love rotary engines.
Yeah, there's a reason why they stay parked in 12 all the time. and like everybody in the shop, Wally's got the rechargeable Streamlight and his soldering iron, and he has got a computer set up there with his fancy gold ratchet. So let's move on to the black box.
Lord have mercy on this one.
And this one, guys, is sticker, and more stickers. But we'll start here.
We'll just have to open them up and see what's in them, because I've done moved too much stuff.
Coolant refiller kit.
Yeah, that's the coolant kit there. And junk.
Junk and scratch off tickets.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. This used to be where I kept my... Hey, let me put that up. Sorry. Random, where I kept my ratchets and stuff. It ain't no more, obviously. 1/2-inch drive. Matter of fact, I need to move them too. This was my fire drawer. Now it's just got scrapers, odd and stuff.
Those carbide scrapers here, guys, they don't look like they'd work good. As you can see, Wally cleans all of his tools up prior to putting it back in the box. But these things work exceptionally well. They don't have any sharp edges on them, but they will work fabulous.
Uh-oh. Everybody's favorite drawer.
Yeah, now this is Wally's. This contains 3 Chevrolet pickups in this drawer right here alone.
2 Pontiacs and maybe even a Buick. It might be a Ford in there somewhere, I'm not sure.
This just proves that Wally's a better mechanic than the factory, because he can put stuff back together and have parts left over. That means they should have hired him at GM. He could have saved them millions of dollars a year.
I'm glad somebody finally recognizes.
That's right.
Used to be where I kept my torque wrenches. Piston ring compressor. Another mirror. Random assortment of stuff.
Random assortment.
Used to be my, well, kind of still is, my metric wrench drawer. There's backups, because why not?
Why not?
Why not?
All right, tell everybody the truth about these. This is where he's actually lost them, bought some more to replace them, and then finds them later.
Actually, these right here, I just upgraded to flank drive. And them right there were just spares.
There you go. Probably after he lost them.
Yeah, well, I found them after the fact. We'll just go that route. We can just say that one. And my other metrics, they just go up to 24. And just random after that. Ooh, full drawer.
Lots of empty drawers.
All my metrics.
Nice, neat, and organized. Yeah. Everything's in there the way it needs to be.
Yeah. That's how you're supposed to do. Whenever you get done with them, just
looks great.
Used to be metrics or standard sockets. I got moved over. All standard sockets. And a kingpin or 2.
There you go.
Because why not?
You never know when you're going to need a good used kingpin. Power probe.
And extension. A couple odd end things for electrical. Race punches, taps. Another just random. Nothing but hammers.
Nothing but hammers.
Nothing but hammers. Another deal of just specialty compression testers, pullers, hone.
Exquisitely organized.
And clean.
And clean.
Here you go. Receipts.
Yeah. All of this is snap-on receipts after snap-on receipts. After snap-on receipts.
There's a couple of Matcos in there. Mac, Cornwell.
You guys notice he can lose the tools, but he keeps the receipts.
Wow. Another dump dorm. Transmission covers, lights, fuel. Well, kind of a fuel tank. Up here used to be pneumatic, you know, well, plugging tires, checking air, just random stuff like that right there. Harbor Freight set.
There you go.
Yeah, they got me by back in the old days.
All the pieces are still there, look like.
Another tool. Worth its weight in gold.
Absolutely. That thing has been a lifesaver if you're doing drum brakes, guys. That thing is nice.
You can measure your inside diameter with your drum and then set your brake shoe height with them. Worth its weight.
Great tool.
Oh, that got moved over. That used to be pliers. Line wrenches.
Yep.
You need to find a place to move them.
Good and clean.
Hardly ever used. Dusty. Random parts. Oh, well. Don't need to see that. Where I kept my keys and just odd new stuff. There might have been a dirty picture in there. Another random. Pliers. Well, what's pliers? Kind of pliers. Get out of there. Electrical.
Nice
That's the way you have to have it right there. It's not
right.
worth it.
You gotta have it nice and neat so you know where everything is.
Hey, I wonder where that went. That goes up there. Allen wrenches, half of them probably lost. I guarantee they're probably lost. Was torques and can't remember what you call them. E's something.
E-torques.
Yeah. I need to fix that. And it well still has metrics. Shallow oil. After that, it's got the roll cart. It's clean on top too, as you can tell. Just
Nice and
freshly cleaned it.
organized.
Yes, organized to perfection.
Nice and organized.
Where I keep my pry bars, right over here. Magnets. Why you gotta mess with me, Bill?
Putting your sticker up.
Oh. Picks, adjustable wrenches, and it used to have a power strip right over here. I'm using the outside of it. My new electrical drawer.
The new organized electrical drawer where everything is nice and neat and organized and rolled up and wiped off. Gonna have deodorant. That's a must.
Don't need to stink.
That's right.
Screwdrivers. I got the quick change bit. Belt tool, extractor set, nut extractor. And all of my metrics. Extensions, wobbles, everything. That's my most used drawer.
Yep.
That's why I keep it in the roll cart.
Nice, nice, nice.
And that's what I was keeping the impact, not no more.
You gotta use rags because you have to wipe everything down.
Just random parts.
Random parts. So Wally's got a Mac box, a classic, and then his new one with a power drawer. But that is Wally's super amazingly clean and organized toolbox tour. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. If you are as organized as Wally, let us know in the comments, because I don't know how the guy finds nothing in there. Y'all
Officially lost my title for having a super organized box.
That's right. Wally's got you beat out on the super organized box. Like always, guys, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button. Catch y'all next time. Y'all have a great one.